very big thanks to all the team members that work for our Attitude Tattoo Studio.
Please, Prashant is come all the way from Hyderabad. Just want to say thank you to you guys. Please.
I just had a small work in Delhi. I thought I can visit here. Only thanks to all the team members who have supported to our studio. I saw GMB. The first time when I started my career in tattooing field, I did not expect it it can be online only. I never expected, but the first time when I saw the app GMB, so I downloaded. So customers are coming till my balcony and they're asking for there is any tattoo service or not. Where there is no board at all. There's no branding I've done to my particular studio. Then I took it very seriously about GMB and I thought this app, how much features might this app will be having, the GMB app. So I just gone through everything because हम लोग youngsters and we know in app how many clicks will be there, almost 100 clicks will be there. I researched everything, but there will be some point where a business owner can connect to a business owner. That I found it from Digital Dhanu sir by watching his social media advertisement.
Very nice.
So that's how I got to know about Digital Dhanu, and I started researching about Digital Dhanu, how this workshop can help me out to grow my business. And I immediately purchased the workshop and I attended. And when you come to an online workshop, your mind is completely focusing in your business actually, apart from doing attending a workshop. So my mind was completely on my business and also workshop, because workshop is important for my business only. But it was always in dilemma that I have to concentrate here or I should concentrate on my business. So I took 3 times. So it's same workshop. I purchased 3 times and then I attended completely. But every 3 times I saw there is a different information also. I did not see some repetitive workshop or something, but there will be some point which was actually connecting to my business, and it is it's a very small point, but it is a turning point in my business. So that's how I took workshop and I started implementing in my business. There was a good results, but again I'm a business owner, but I'm only working. So that's how I thought my marketing stuff or the GMB at least to be handed over to some team members. So I was researching something about in Hyderabad, but I couldn't find. I found it, but those people, what kind of service they have given, it was almost for nothing actually, almost for nothing. And then I thought why can't I give it to Digital Dhanu sir only, so that their team can handle my business. Let's take a initiative to hand over my business to them and let's see how it will work. But this time in my mind, it was there that my business should be controlled at least for 3 months to 6 months. Then I will judge a company where this company is great enough to handle my business or not. So I have completely hand over. But every month I have seen, every month from your team that there is some updates, either whether it's a customer reply or whether it's a posters being created and uploaded in GMB, and communication to the customers also, it's being provided by your company. And I'm really very pleasure to thank you. And especially I came from Hyderabad to actually meet you all team members to say thank you. For a business owner, there's a very special point when your workloads get reduced. And that is the thing which Digital Dhanu team has given. It's a thank you so much, and I'm Really, like I don't have any other choice. When it comes to marketing, my mind always strikes like digital data. Will keep promoting to other business partners or like my friend circles to just have a look into this team and then take it forward. Thank you so much. I would have talked more. I am rushing and sir is also having a meeting. I just saw. So let's come back to work.
Thank you.
Even I'll leave also.
It was really great watching you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the kind words. And guys, it's all your work. So hopefully
Maybe I'll come back and visit again Delhi, then I'll probably meet you all guys. I'll give you more time. I want more time from you guys.
definitely. Thank you.
Please have. Yeah.